Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. As you can see, this made by all aluminum, the pressure cookers. The size is about like a 33 quart. Let's take the overall sizes first. The diameter is about like 19 inches. And the overall height is about like 17.5 inches. So as you can see, the top plates, we have the weights right here, and the two connection spots for the pressure gauge. You can remove the top and swap it. And they do come in with the two handlebars. They mount on the body. So let's take a look at the inner side dimensions. For the inner side dimensions, we can see the diameter is about like 14 inches. And the depth about like 11.5 inches. This is all information about these aluminum units. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions about the products, please contact with us.